Hi, this is Luke for Production Expert, and this is how to use track inserts on pre-mixed audio. So before now, you'd obviously need to go back into the mix to get any individual processing across tracks or stems, but today I'm using Remix from Acon Digital to isolate and process tracks on their own. Here's my stereo mix, and with Remix across it, I can go through and isolate individual stems.
Could have your loving. Oh, if I could have, but you won't give me nothing. Have to part.
And simply by soloing stems in Remix, I can then bounce those individual parts and then re-import them into my DAW. So now I have a stem of drums, a stem of guitars, and a stem of vocals. And then in Remix, I just have the remaining stems soloed so that those are still playing through out into the mix. Now there's no piano in this track, but I still have the track soloed because I'm finding I'm getting a more natural sound by letting all of the constituent parts sum at the output. On drums, I'm just taking a little bit of low mid out of there to make room for my upright bass, just to clean things up a little bit and to help my kick drum get under the bass.
Your heart, but you won't give me nothing. So
I did have some EQ across my guitar, but I don't think I really need that. But I still have the advantage of having my guitars on their own fader in the DAW mixer, or in my case, on my control surface. And on my vocals, I've added just a little bit of brilliance at the top end. They were sounding a little bit dull. And I've also taken the opportunity to add some reverb too.
oh, if I could have your loving. Oh, if I could have your heart, but won't give me nothing.
So I still have creative control over a pre-mixed track. So I've gone from something that was maybe a little bit congested in the low mids with vocals that were slightly dull and a little bit too dry to something that is actually doing what I need it to do without any access to the mix itself.
Oh, if I could have your loving. Oh, if I could have your heart, but you won't give me nothing. So I guess we'll have to part.
So that's how to use track inserts on pre-mixed audio using Remix from Acon Digital. Mix tweaks even if you don't have access to the mix itself. To find out more and to read our full article, head over to the Production Expert blog.